Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new around here, my name is Shelly Gonzalez. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to do this makeup look. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button to get notified every time I post a new video. Also comment and give me new ideas on looks you would like to see next. Thank you, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.
I know you want it, tell me you want it. No, yeah, tell me you. I know you want it, tell me you want it. Vamos bailando pegado, al ritmo del compás, que la fiesta dura hasta mañana. Como I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been sipping, that's how I control this feeling.
First, I'm going to use the color Fudge from the palette Subculture by Anastasia and place it on my crease. Then with a brush, I'm going to blend it towards the top of my eyelid. Follow these same steps for your second eye. I'm going to use the color Axis from the palette Subculture by Anastasia and place this color in the middle of my crease, then blend it with the color Fudge. Repeat the same step for your second eye. I will place the color Untamed from the palette Subculture 1/3 away from my inner corner, then blend it with the color Axis to transition from dark to light. I'm going to go back in with the color Fudge and place it in the outer corner of my crease to get more pigmentation. I'm going to go back in with the color Axis and place it in the middle of my crease and blend it with the color Fudge to get more pigmentation as well. Finally, I'm going to go back in with the color Untamed and place it 1/3 away from my inner corner and blend it with the color Axis to get more pigmentation. With a concealer, place a couple dots on your inner corner of your eyelid and with a thin brush, cut your crease. Repeat the same step for your second eye. Place the color Divinity from the Pink Fizz Chocolate Bar palette on top of your concealer to set it. With the same colors, Fudge, Axis, and Untamed, go back into your crease and blend with those colors to add pigmentation and remove harsh lines left from your concealer. Place the glitter Electric from the Subculture Anastasia palette on top of your concealer and blend it with your two other colors, Untamed and Axis, to make a transitioning effect. Repeat the same step on your second eye. Place the color untamed on the outer V of your lower lash line. Place the color axis on the remaining part of your lower lash line and blend it with the color untamed. Add mascara to your upper and lower lashes for both of your eyes. Using the dual pink eyelash glue, place your fake lashes on your upper lash line. Repeat the same step for your second eye. Add black eyeliner to your upper lash line to make the look stand out. I'm going to place the highlight Helia from the Anastasia Glow Kit on my eyebrow bone and inner corner. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you want to continue watching makeup tutorials by me, do not forget to subscribe, click the like button, and finally click the bell button next to the subscribe button to get notified every time I post. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.